Screen time is becoming the talk of the parents. Nowadays, many parents have questions like is screen time good or bad, or how long my child can be exposed to screen. These are some of the questions that goes through the parents' mind during these days, because children are more engaged in online learning, and also they are more exposed to screen time nowadays because they are in lockdown time. Okay, I am a parent and also a therapist who involved in early childhood development. I strongly believe and I strongly recommend no screen time for younger children, especially toddlers. Many a times we see parents like mothers and caregivers feeding their babies along with the mobile phones. By showing them the mobile phones, the baby will be watching a cartoon or a rhyme over the mobile phone, and the mothers will be feeding the baby. Is it right? I don't think so. The babies are not meant to eat like that. It is not the right feeding method. Children learn through touching, feeling, manipulating and exploring things. They don't just learn from any mobile or TV when they are very young. Screen time makes them passive. They do not engage in all these mindful activities of like touching, feeling and exploring and manipulating. So it's better not to have a screen time for the children, for the younger children especially, around 1 year to 3.5 years. I request parents not to encourage your kids or not to engage your kids with mobile phones or laptops or tabs or any kind of screen time. This screen time directly impacts the brain development of your child. So let's take an important decision in our homes not to have a screen time for our toddlers. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next video.